Introducing Sam Goodman!
Acá estamos en Guadalajara, Jalisco, México.
Stay back there. Stay back there.
Punch that's interesting there as well. So
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
The return of undefeated Australian prospect Sam Goodman in boxing ring is likely one of the most anticipated events for Australian boxing fans, especially since his opponent is a tough and feisty boxer from Mexico, CESAR VACA Espinoza. Espinoza boasts an impressive record of 19 wins, 1 loss, and 12 knockouts. This match will undoubtedly test Goodman's skills and endurance, particularly since Espinoza mentioned in the press conference that he plans to target Goodman's injury. This promises to be an exciting fight between a technical boxer and a knockout artist. With the match happening in Goodman's home turf in Sydney, Australia, the stakes are high. As for the fight, both boxers have impressive records. Sam Goodman's undefeated streak suggests he's a formidable opponent, while CESAR VACA Espinoza's knockout record indicates he's a force to be reckoned with. It's hard to predict the outcome without knowing more about their strategies and current form. Do you have a preference for Goodman's technical style or Espinoza's aggressive approach? Who do you think will win, the undefeated Australian or the Mexican knockout artist? Before the battle begins, let's take a look at some knockout highlights from their boxing careers.
Oh, right hands. And to the body as well, and here he comes. This is his 12th pro fight. Oh, it's the right hand. Oh, right hand's a beauty for Goodman. Just having a full crowd behind you. Yeah, huge right hands. And Awarde's in big trouble now. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And Brad Bacali says that's enough. Here goes Goodman in. He's hurting. Goodman came back.
Goodman putting on the pressure big time.
Body shots from sleeve. Goodman smiled at it. Takes another. He's here to be hit now, his sleeves. Left hand doubles up from Goodman. Here he goes again. That's a good shot. Left jab there from Goodman. Body shot again.
Body shot and a half. That
Goodman will look to go to work. 10 seconds left in the round. That's a big shot. Goodman is stopped it.
Se va a acabar la zona, se queja de golpe, de velocidad. Está conectando bien al cuerpo Vaca. Ahí se enfrasca, toma y dame. Decisiva, corre la siguiente. Esa experiencia y bagaje de Córdoba, más allá de que pero está viendo ese frente ahí. A lo mejor escuché mal.
Last saw Beauchamp against Brock Jarvis early in this one. Good shot there, the right hand from Goodman and another.
Well, that's because your opponents make you do that.
Good right hand, Goodman. Timing, a hook from Goodman.
Talk about concussion, I think.
Big right hands. Oh, the body shot's a good one.
Nice
Body shot, and again, and over the top, and this might be wild shot, misses. And there's that right hand, and that's it. There's a good body shot. Today. And again.
Oh, nice.
He's landed a lot of punches in those 3 fights.
Yeah, that's better.
That's a great shot. Here he goes Goodman.
Can't find that little part of the puzzle to do that.
That's a good shot from Goodman. Oh, there's a good shot.
To the left, and that's why they've...
Right hand body shot too. And it's Goodman. Good right. Oh, they come together now. Sam Goodman. He pours on the pressure. You say some of his best moments.
Oh, just missed that left hook. Sam's got that kill.
Going forward a lot as he takes a couple of body shots and comes back with a left hand there into Ali.
Believe me, he might get counted with a hook.
And the hook goes. Puts himself in a precarious position for a moment as he takes 2 jabs there.
Able to stay in the pocket, he's able to...
Lane just backs off, and then he takes a shot. Good punching from Sam Goodman.
Or what he's trying to do. That's what he has to land.
Pushes forward again, and fantastic punching from the Australian. And he goes to the body himself. Goodman with a left hand and a right hand too.
The word coming that Tony was going to...
Tired, but gee, he's digging deep, and he goes down there off a good shot. Close in and finish things off. And he's on unsteady legs.
Impatient and waiting for those moments.
Hands. Goodman and TJ Doherty, Ben Damon in commentary alongside
In his fight.
Good work from Goodman here in the commentary.
And find out that take him to some place he's never been. Exchange after exchange.
He threw good shots there, sorry
Yes.
to cut you off, Jeff. And Doherty tries to come back with a few. Body shot from Goodman. Goodman chasing Cooper. 1-2 and body goes Goodman, and he goes again and from Sam Goodman. And now he produces a beautiful couple of left hooks for Cooper. Body and upstairs and a right hand from Goodman and a left hand all around the place. Oh, right hand. 1, 2 and 3 from Goodman again. Looking forward to the action there with both of the Maloney's in. Oh, big right hands. The right hand.
A lot of fighters. There's one body shot.
Good shots from Goodman. Gets on the inside, uses a bump, and then goes bang, bang. And let's see if Goodman can get it.
Beautiful body shot on the jab. That right there. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 1.
Flores is in trouble. Another body shot could be.
And he wants to put it.